Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the DBC14 firmware and backing up profiles. This prevents lost mappings. Once confirmed, power off the unit so you avoid hot plug issues. Now attach the keyboard splitter into the port labeled KB or XT. Make sure the connector clicks. Plug your keyboard into splitter port A and a second board or pass-through into port B. Do this deliberately because correct physical connections avoid detection errors later. Once connected, power on and open the DBC14 Control app to configure routing. You assign each splitter port to specific MIDI channels or key matrices so signals don't collide. Use the Input Routing tab, select port A, map it to channel 1, then map port B to channel 2. This separates streams. Save a named preset for quick recall. Then test keys methodically. Press Observe Channel Output and adjust delays or debounce if notes double or drop. To finish, confirm latency and debounce settings to ensure clean key events. Lower debounce if notes lag, increase if chatter happens. Make sure the splitter is using a powered hub if you see dropouts. USB current limits often cause failures. If a port isn't responsive, swap cables and test the keyboard directly to isolate hardware. Finally, if configuration remains unstable, restore your backup or factory defaults only after you've ruled out cabling and power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.